Hello friends, welcome to Raut Choice, and today in this video I am going to discuss about the census of Odisha. That means we will talk about Odisha census 2011. Okay, it is very important for prelim points of view, also in essay writing and main purpose. Is it right? Because most of the data from the as far as the people population is one of the important part in GS part. So we are going to discuss about that. To see, as far as Odisha census, as for census 2011, the populations of Odisha stands at 4.19 crore. 4.19 crore, that is approximately we can take 4.20 approximate. If we will talk about approximate data, you will be right to 4.20. Is it right? And then the decadal growth is what? Decadal growth is 14%. Decadal growth, that means in 10 years the population of Odisha has increased 14%. In 10 years the population of Odisha has increased 14%. That is the decadal growth is 14%. Is it right? As far as the India growth of Indian population, we'll see this, then it will be 3.47%. 3.47% is the growth of India. So let us see what is in this case. Out of this 14.9 crore total populations, male forms what percent? 2.12 crore. The male population stands at 2.12 crore, and female populations of Odisha is remaining what? 2.07 crore. That is, they together form 19 crore. Is it right? So this is some basic data. What? Population census for Odisha 2000. Total population Odisha stands at 4.19 crore, and approximately we can say 4.20 crore. And decadal growth is 14%, and that of India is what? 3.947%. And male population of Odisha is 2.1 crore, and female population is 2.07 crore. Okay, now let us see population density. Let us see, talk about sex ratio. Sex ratio of 0 to 7 group, 0 to 7 years group, 0 to 7 years group will then it is decreased 953 to 941. That is, this data is as per 2001 and this data is as per 2011. Is it right? So it has decreased from 943 to 941, the sex ratio. And sex ratio, you know that number of female per 1000 male, that is called sex ratio. Number of female per 1000 male is called sex ratio, and this sex ratio in case of 0 to 7 years 6 years group stands at 941 in Odisha as per the 2011 data. Is it right? And child population has decreased 14.6% to 12.6%. that is there is a 2% decrease in child population from 2001 to 2011. In this 10 years, that is 2001 to 2011, in this span of 10 years and decade, in this decade, what happens? The population of child has decreased 2% in Odisha. Is it right? That is 14.6%. It was the earlier population, that is in 2000. This data is as per 2001 data, and this data is as per 2011 data. Is it right? So there is a 2%, approximately we can say there is a 2% decrease in child population within this decade. Okay, next come to density. You will see the density, population density. Population density will see it was in 2001 it was 236. Now as per 2011 it is 270. That means population density has increased from 236 to 270. And as far as the district wise data, if you will see highest district wise data, so highest density is found in Khurda and lowest is found in Kandhamal. So see, so highest density is of Khurda district and the lowest is Kandhamal district. Okay, so this is density data, population density, how it is increased from this that is span of 10 years. Now this is the density of population, so as we have already seen. So now let us see some more data. Sex ratio, all over sex ratio you will see, and it is what 99979 in 2011, and it previously it was 972. This data is 2011, 2001 and 2011. So as per the sex ratio, but we have already discussed this is your total all over overall sex ratio overall, but child sex ratio if we see, we have already discussed this one, that is it was 953 in 2011, now which stands at this 941 in 2011. So this is the sex ratio overall category, and this is in the child sex ratio, that is 0 to 7 years as per the data. So 0 to 7 years it is 953, it is 1 year according to the 2001 data census data, and it has decreased 941 in 2011, and the overall has also increased from 972 in 2001 to 979 in 2011. So this is sex ratio. Next come to density, so already done. Next, literacy rate. Literacy rate, if you will see the literacy rate, then overall literacy rate is 72.87% in 2011, 72.87%, and it was earlier 63.08% as per 2001 data. Is it right? Okay. And male literacy rate is 81.59% in 2011. Earlier it was 75.35% in 2001. And the female literacy stands at 64.01% as per 2011 data, and as per 2001 data it stands at 50.51%. So next is that urban population, urban and rural